जी, यदुल जी, गिनी, ठीक है। गौरव जी, यदुल जी गिनी थे हेडमास्टर और उनके लिए दो बात लिखने के लिए बोले हैं। वो विद्यार्थी प्रेमी थे क्योंकि वो पालन करवाते थे। और क्या व्यवस्थित रीति से व्यवस्थित रीति से काम लेते और अच्छी तरह बनाते थे। ठीक है, हो गया उनका दो गुण। गुड आफ्टरनून सभी बच्चों को। ठीक है, हो गया। आप लोगों ने अपना जो होमवर्क है, आप लोग अपना होमवर्क को नोट कर लेंगे। ये क्वेश्चन जो आप लोगों को दिया गया है, जो लिखवाया गया है, क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 एंड क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, ये दोनों क्वेश्चन आप लोगों को लिख दिया गया है। अच्छा, आप लोगों को अभी जो करना है वो आप लोग अपना होमवर्क लिखिए। जो पाठ है मेरे स्कूल के दिन, तो उसी में से ये सब क्वेश्चन दिया गया है, उसी में से ये सब का आंसर भी लिखना है। ठीक है, तो आप लोग होमवर्क लिखिए बच्चों। सब लोग अपना होमवर्क नोट करें। HW क्या है? आप लोगों का HW है विस्तार में उत्तर लिखे मेरे स्कूल के दिन कंपनी का प्रश्न। ठीक है, आप लोगों का ये होमवर्क है। विस्तार में उत्तर लिखे मेरे स्कूल। टाइम ओवर हो गया है, तो आप
Once again, good noon, everyone. Good afternoon. So, let's start the topic. तो सकील सर, आप हमको ये सब बोली कि एक दिन क्या किया? ये सब exercise 4, natural number and whole number. Exercise 4, natural number and whole number. So these are two things, natural number and whole number. So it's nothing but here you have to find out different factors, different form of addition, different form of multiplication, division, subtraction, everything, isn't it? So what is natural number? Natural number is all the numbers. It starts from A1, starting from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, up to infinity. Isn't it? And what is whole number? Whole number is starting from 0. 0, then 1, then 2, then 3, then 4, then up to infinity. Isn't it? So, this is, so it is starting from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. From 1, it is starting from 1. Just this thing you have to do. Starting from 1 and starting from 0. 0 whole number. Whole means whole. कोई भी whole बोलता है ना, whole में whole जो कि किसी को गोल सर्कल जो शेप टाइप का रहता है उसको होल बोलता है. Isn't it? There is a hole in the wall. So wall में एक hole है. Hole is 0. So whole number starting from 0 इस हिसाब से रखें. And starting natural number starting from 1. X से start. ठीक है? Natural number X. So this thing you have to keep in your mind. Isn't it? Again, next problem. Oh yeah, Divya, yes, right. Whole number starts with 0 and natural number starts with 1. Now there are some property, isn't it, which you have to do. There are some properties. Only 13 students are there. Okay. So there are Now this one, so this thing, so let's start from exercise 4.1. Now let's start the exercise 4.1. Properties of division. There are many properties here, isn't it? There are many properties. So according to their property of all natural number or natural number follows the property of whole number, and at the same time whole number is also following the property of natural number. But one thing is exceptional, that is zero is whole number is starting from 0 and natural number is starting from 1. 0 is not here. All the same. All are same, but only 0 is not here. In natural number, 0 is not. Isn't it? This thing you have to keep in mind. So, now what you have to do, you have to just understand. The first one is 4.1. The question 4.1. Question 4.1. Exercise 4.1. Isn't it? In this, we will learn. Here it is saying question, match each of the following with the appropriate property. कौन सा property है? The first one is five into one is equal to 1 into 5. So into is there, means it is a multiple property, right? It is multiplicative property. And B is there. There is it is 6 into 3 plus 6 into 1 equal to 6 plus 6 into 3 plus 1. Next one is 9 into 3 is equal to 3 into 9. G is 0 into 10, 10 into 0 equal to 0. T is 7 into 5 minus 2. Equal to 7 into 5 minus 7 into 2. I think all are visible, yes. So A, B, C, D, E, these are given. So from the symbols we can easily identify. पांच एकम पांच ये होगा और ये भी वन वन फाइव जा फाइव फाइव वन जा फाइव एंड वन फाइव जा फाइव so both are equal so this is what multiple sign is there if we will write 5 as a and 1 as b then it is b into a b into a into b equal to b into a this is here it is this is written. So it is multiplicative property of two numbers. So we can write two numbers. Suppose 3 into 4, we can write 4 into 3. Because this is also 4 into 3, 4 3 are 12. This is also equal to 3 4 are 12. So this we can write. This is the multiplicative property of natural numbers or all numbers, isn't it? Multiplicative identity. Next one is six into three plus into is also there and plus is also there. So additive and multiplicative both properties are there. Addition is also there and multiplication is also there. So destructive distributed property of multiplication over addition. This will be the answer. Distributed property of multiplication as well as addition. 18 and plus 6 minus 6. So 18 plus 6 it is 24. Here also it is 3 plus 1. 3 plus 1 it is 4. 4 6 are 24. So both are equal. Always both sides will equal. Here also both the things are 24 equal to 24. But here in between bracket there is multiple sign and outside the bracket it is positive plus sign. So multiple is also there and addition is also there. In the same way, other side of the equal to multiple is also there and addition is also there. So this property is distributed multiple and additive property. Multiplication over addition. Isn't it? Next one is 9 into 3 equal to 3 into 9. 9 into 3 equal to 3 into 9. So this one is only multiple is there. So this one is property of multiplication. This is property of multiplication. Next one is 0 into 1, 1 into 0. So both sides into is there. So this is also and here also 0 only 0 is there. So this will be multiplicative property of 0 because anything is multiple with 0 that will give you 0. कोई भी संख्या को 0 के साथ अगर गुना किया जाए तो वो क्या होगा 0 ही होगा कितना भी बड़ा संख्या क्यों ना हो 1 लाख 5 लाख 10 लाख कुछ भी हो उसको अगर 0 से 7 9 2 8 3 5 कुछ भी नंबर देती है उसको अगर इसको 0 करेंगे तो क्या होगा 0 ही होगा ठीक है तो एनी नंबर which is multiplied with 0 that will give 0 isn't it. Next one is 7 into 5 minus 2 again 7 into 5 minus 2. So here multiplication subtraction is there. So distributive property of multiplication over subtraction. Multiplication over subtraction. Subtraction is there, isn't it? Yes, very good, Divya Singh. Very good, very good. Now, come to the question number 2. Question number 2. Question number 2. Isn't it? Question number 2. So here what it is? Question A. The first one is 5 into 7 plus 0 is equal to 5 into 7 plus dash into 0. So this is the question. 5 into 7 plus 0 equal to 5 into 7 plus what? This is it. So this is the question. So here it is 5 7 35. Here it is also. So here you can write 0 as well 1, 5, 7, whatever you want. Isn't it? Whatever you want you can write there. Because that is the property of additive addition over multiplication. Isn't it? Multiplication over addition. Distributed property of multiplication over addition, isn't it? So this will be anything, whatever as I told you, any number is multiplied by 0, that will give 0 as the answer, isn't it? So that will give 0, isn't it? So here there you can write whatever you want. Now moving to the next one, that is next one is, so here you can write whatever you want. You can write 5 as well as 7 or 0 also. You can write 5, 7 and 0, whatever you want. Because anything is multiplied into 0, that will give 0. So this is 0. So only this one is 35 and this one is also 35. Isn't it? Next one. Question B. Question B, that is question B is P into Q equal to dash into P into Q equal to dash into P. So this is what? Q into P, isn't it? So Q will be the answer. Next one is 1 plus A equal to dash plus 1. So A plus 1. In the same way you have to do, isn't it? Next. This what? Dash plus A. 1, sorry. 1 dash plus 1. Isn't it? This is the, yes. So what will happen? This will A in C, question number C. Only one exercise is there. That's why I am elaborating every question. Isn't it? Rest of the question video will be provided to you. So in this way, chapter is already completed. Isn't it? Chapter number 4, their video will be provided to you. Isn't it? One video will be provided to you and you have to complete all the question of exercise 4.1. In this way, this is your homework, exercise 4.1, and one video will also give to you. Isn't it provided to you? Next one is D. Oh, no, sorry, C. C already done. D. It's a C. It's not A. B, this C, this D. D is, that is B plus what? B plus dash is equal to B. B plus, so what will happen is that, what will be there? B plus what equal to only B. B के साथ क्या जोड़ेंगे कि सिर्फ B देगा? B के साथ अगर एक जोड़ेंगे तो ओनली B मिलेगा नहीं, फिर से एक लिखना पड़ेगा। 2 3 4 5 6 कुछ भी नहीं, सिर्फ 0 लिखेंगे तब होगा ये। B plus 0 equal to also B, isn't it? So 0 will be the answer. Next, last one is 2 into 8 into 5. 2 into 8 into 5 is equal to 2 into 8 into 5 is equal to 2 into 5, 2 into 5 into dash. So 2 5s are 10. Here also 2 5s are 10. So these 3 and 1, only 8 is left. So here it will be 8. Now you can multiply 2 5s are 10. 10 into 8 it is 80. So this will also give you 2 5s are 10 into 8. Now this is good, isn't it? This 80 is equal to 8, isn't it? So in this way we have to do, isn't it? Now the question number, next question is, use the appropriate property to complete each of the following. Here appropriate property, isn't it, to compute each of the following. So we have to identify the property, isn't it, whether it is additive property. And again, first one is what? Multiplication. Only multiplication is there, isn't it? So multiple, the property is, the first one is multiplicative identity, isn't it? So next one is associative, and again this is also distributive, isn't it? Now draw the number lines from 0 to 10 and show the result of the following. Draw the number lines from 0 to 10 and show the result of the following. Means you have to identify from which part to which part. This is also very easy. You have to just show in graphical representation, isn't it? Graphically you have to show. Means in question number 4, question number 4, it is in this way you can write. Question number 4. 3, you have to just say the same word, whether it is 5 into 1. Draw number line. So you have to draw the number line, isn't it? Suppose you have to start it from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So up to this much is enough, isn't it? A number line, because here it is saying 0 to 10. 0 to 10 you have to do. Now 5 into 1. So this will be, this is up to this it is 1, up to this it is 2. So 5 into 1. So this one is 5 into 1. Isn't it? Up to this much. Up to this much is 5 into 1. Isn't it? Now you have to draw in this line. 5. Now 5 plus 5. So up to this it is 5. And again up to this 5 plus 5 it is same. So it is also again next 5. Next 5 is. So 5 plus 5 it is 10. So this will be, this way. This plus this. Again 5 minus 5. So this is plus 5, again this is minus 5. So it will be 0, nothing. Isn't it? Plus 5, again minus 5. Isn't it? Plus 5 and then again minus 5. So nothing will left, 0. Only 0 will left there. Isn't it? So in this way we have to do. So this chapter is your homework, but this video, the rest of the questions video will also provided to you. Isn't it? So this is your homework. Another video will provided to you. 4.1. The homework is 4.1. Isn't it? So thank you everyone. Thank you class for being with me. It's a rainy day, so you have to look around your surroundings also. So enjoy this weather, but don't move here and there, isn't it? Don't do too much. Only play if it is possible. Okay, so thank you.